All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a crust deal, okay? All right? All right, they're on sale for how much?
$3.
$3, okay? So when you buy 3, you get $5 register reward, okay?
Okay.
All right? But we got a $2 off coupon for each one. So if we got a $2 coupon for each one, how much are we going to pay for the 3?
$2.
So $2 off each one. So how much are we going to pay for 3 of them?
3.
$3, and we're going to get how much back?
5.
5. So making it a $2 what? Money maker. All right. All right. Do you got that?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think? So should we grab some free toothpaste?
Yeah.
All right. Let's grab 3. Yeah. Put those in the cap. Very good. All right. All right. All right. Next motion and motion. Let's go.